viewers, welcome to my channel Grammar Tales, Learn English Grammar with Krish. As discussed in the earlier video, we had decided that today we will be doing exercises on the chapter noun. So, without much ado, let's begin. Number 1. Ram was sleeping on the sofa. So dear friends, what were the nouns, the various classifications that we learned? Proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, material noun and collective noun. So in each of these sentences we will be identifying the various nouns. So let us first see which are the two nouns here. One is Ram and another is sofa. Alright. So what noun is Ram? Let's see. Ram is what noun? It is a proper noun. It is a proper noun. Why? Because noun is the name of a person. It is a special name. It is not a general name. Alright. So Ram is a proper noun. Now sofa. Sofa is a what? Sofa is a common noun. It's a place. Alright. So Ram was sleeping on the sofa. Ram is a proper noun. Sofa is a common noun. I hope it is clear. Now let us go to the second example. Number 2. We cannot live without food. So in this sentence, we cannot live without food. Which is the noun? There is only one noun, that is food. So what noun is food? Is it proper noun? No. Is it common noun? No. Then what noun is it? Neither it is collective noun or abstract noun. Food is what? It is material noun. Is it clear? Alright. Now let us go to the next example. Number 3. The group were divided. So here which is the noun? Neither the or divided. None of these. The noun is group. So what is group? Is it abstract noun? No. Is it material noun? No. Neither it is proper noun nor it is common noun. So which noun it belongs to? Group is what noun? It is collective noun. It is a collection. So it is collective noun. Am I clear? So let's just get a recap. Ram was sleeping on the sofa. Ram is a noun. What kind of noun? Ram is the name of a person. So it is a proper noun. And sofa? Sofa is a common noun. Alright. Next, we cannot live without food. So here food is the noun. Which category of noun is this? It is material noun. Number 3, the group were divided. So in this sentence, we have only one noun, that is group. Group means what? A collection. So it comes under collective noun. Alright, now let us move on to number 4. Ram, Sham, Jadu and Madhu were friends. Now let's see which are the nouns here. Very, very simple. You have seen here all the names. These are the names of people. Ram, Sham, Jadu and Madhu. So this will come under what noun? Ram, Sham, Jadu, Madhu. It will come under proper noun. It is the name of people. Alright. Now we have a common noun here. Do you know which one is it? Yes. Friends. It is a general noun. So it is common. It is a common noun. Alright. Now let's move on to the next number. Number 5. Laughter is certainly the best medicine. Now let's see which kind of noun we get here. So just let us point out the nouns first. Which are the noun? The word laughter, then medicine. So when we come to the word laughter, you must be remembering what kind of noun is it? It is something abstract, isn't it? We cannot touch it or feel it. So it is something abstract. So laughter comes under the category of abstract noun. Laughter is what? It is abstract noun. And what is medicine? It is a material noun. So laughter is certainly the best medicine. Laughter is what? Abstract noun. It is something which we cannot touch or feel, isn't it? So it is abstract in nature. So it is the abstract noun. And medicine, it comes under material noun. Now we will go to the next number. So let's go to number 6. Tigers live in forests. Alright. So here tigers will be what? It can be any tiger. It is not any particular name of the tiger is not given here, isn't it? One noun is tiger, another noun is forest. So both tigers and forests comes under the category of common noun. Any particular name is not there. It is just written forests and tigers. So it is common noun. Alright. So let's go to number 7. The boys were playing. The boys were playing. Here what is the noun? Boys. Is it the name of any particular boy? No. Since it is not particular or specific, it is common for all category of boys. So it will come under which noun? It will come under common noun. Is it clear? Now number 8. Iron is a useful metal. So iron is a useful metal. So which are the nouns here? One is iron. How you pronounce it? It is not iron. Alright, it is iron. R will be silent. Iron. Iron is a useful metal. Another noun is metal. So iron is a specific name for a metal. So what will it be? It will be iron is material noun. And metal is what? It is a common noun. It can be any metal, so it is a common noun. Alright. Now let's move on to number 9. The earth revolves round the sun. So now here, which will be the nouns? One is the earth and another is the sun. Now the word planet will be a common noun, but when we are mentioning the name of a particular planet, that is earth, which noun will it be? It will be a proper noun. So earth is proper noun. Now when we come to sun, see, before the word sun, the noun sun, the word the is there, isn't it? When it is mentioned the, sun in this sentence will be a proper noun because it is talking about something specific. But had there been a in place of the here, then the sun would have been a sun. A sun, common noun, and the sun makes it proper noun. Alright, I am clear? The earth revolves around the sun. Earth is the name of a particular planet, so it is proper noun. And in case of sun, if we use the article the, it becomes a proper noun. If we use the article a, it becomes a common noun. It depends on the usage of the articles. Alright. Now, last but not the least, one more example we will do for today and we will wrap it up. Number 10. He is using a computer. Alright. So, what will this be? Number 10 is he is using a computer. So, which is the noun here? Very simple, computer. So, what kind of noun is it? It is a particular category of device. So, it is a category, it does not have any particular name. I am not talking of any particular brand of computer, isn't it? I am just talking of a general category of devices. So, it is computer, it will be a common noun. Alright. So, I hope whatever exercises I did today, it was very clear because I gave very simple exercises. So, we will be continuing with the exercise part in the next video. I hope you all like the video. Thank you.